trying to get a mask or a custom mask for this text in Blender render passes like render, and here I want a extra pass for this. Uh, wait a minute. Extra pass like combine normal and extra mask. So what should I'm going to do? Go to my level editor, then hide everything except my text. I made my text red color and make a shape of this image in transparent background, and bring the texture into your shader editor. Then add a shader UV, name it mask, copy the name and search here UV output, paste the name here. This name and this name have to be same. Connect it here. Then render this image. See, I got a custom mask